Think your regular tile cleaner is safe for sandstone? Think again. Sandstone might look tough, but it's actually a stone that requires thoughtful care. While it's not highly porous and doesn't etch easily, harsh cleaners can still cause lasting damage. Most off-the-shelf cleaners contain acids, bleach, or strong solvents. The result? Surface discoloration, stubborn stains, and a dull finish that's tough to restore. Even a single careless cleaning can mean costly restoration down the line. Here's how to keep your sandstone flawless. Avoid acidic or abrasive cleaners. These aren't necessary and can cause surface trouble. Choose pH-neutral cleaning products designed for stone surfaces. When in doubt, consult a professional. Specialists understand sandstone's unique characteristics better than any label. Don't let hasty cleaning ruin a premium surface. For more details, check out our article at londonstone.co.uk. Clean it right and protect your stone for years to come.